here with Rob Bird, well-known trail angel, and he's going to drop me off Route 19 for doing a little hike here. So, Rob, would you care to tell us a little bit of your backstory for us?
Oh, well, how far back you want to go?
Just how you became involved in the trail community, basically.
Well, up in Massachusetts, I was managing a Shell station that was right next door to the post office. So I got to meet a lot of hikers. One day, one was soaking wet, didn't have a lot of money, and he yogied me into coming back to the house, staying there, and then he went and told 70 other people that he had a good time, and we were off and running. So I've hosted probably 8,000 people over the last 18 years since then, and it's been a fun ride.
Cool. So how can you relate with the hikers and the reason that they hike? Why do you think everyone is out here to hike?
Well, I think there's really only two reasons people come out here to hike. Some are looking for something, and some are running from something, and some are both. For some, it's been a dream that they've had for years and years, and others, it's just an opportunity to get away from all the BS that's going on in our society today and actually get into nature a little bit. I respect what the hike does for the people that do it, and that's why I try and help them.
All right, let's go with one more question here. Tell us what you think people should know more about within the hiking world or hiking community.
Well, the main thing about the trail is if you make the trail your priority, the trail will take care of you. The trail provides. Don't let anyone or anything slow you down or stop you. Make the trail your priority, and it'll make a world of difference, not only in your hike, but in your life. The people are the trail. There's no one individual that you have an allegiance to out here other than yourself. Accomplish what you started to do, and that's 2,190 miles. Don't let anybody or anything stop you.
All right. Thanks, Rob. Appreciate it.
All right.
What's up, guys? Booty here on another adventure. So I just started out on Route 19, going southbound towards Roan Mountain on the AT. Plan is to go about 100 miles, give or take. Got dropped off here courtesy of Rob Bird. He's a well-known trail angel in the AT community. So thanks, Rob. Shout out to him. I'm out here with my new Ultras, and I just replaced my darn tough socks at an outfitter. Swapped them out because they have a lifetime guarantee. So got a fresh pair on because the other ones had holes in them, and we're all fresh now, but looking to change that.